Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is the first lecture is a stop valve, and this body is a stop valve, and all is a final assemble, and all parts one by one all parts is a drawing here easily and clearly, and last is a this is a assemble all parts. Okay, and this is a final body is a stop valve project, and this is a project is very nice looking here, and this is a single parts, this is a this and this is a help of this part is this, and this part is a stud M12. A stud M12 is a drawing here today, and this is isometric view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view, and this is a top view, and all dimension in millimeter, and cosmetic thread is also detailing here M12, and length is 14 millimeter this, and M12 length is 14 millimeter is this is a 40 millimeter, and this is a 14 millimeter, both is a this, and this is body is 2D drafting is also available here is this. Okay, let's start here. This body is drawing. Okay, this is a drawing this body, and how to this body is drawing easily and clearly, and this body is looking perfect, and both is a cosmetic thread is also drawing here, and okay, this is a, and material is a nickel. Okay, this is a looking perfect. Okay, and this body is drawing. Okay, let's start here. This body is drawing here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, at first some important point is a setting here parts, and at first drawing at first active a plain white, and going to this option, and this is a document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect. Click OK. Okay, all is a perfect, and drawing this, at first select a plane is a front plane is better is this body is a drawing. Okay, choose a front plane, and at first select a corner rectangle, or drawing a any geometry this, and dimension is used here this is a 6 millimeter, and this full length is a 70 millimeter, and this use a chamfer is 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this 6 millimeter is radius, and this diameter is a 12 millimeter is same. Okay, this dimension is 6 millimeter, and this length is a full length is 70 millimeter is okay. Okay, and okay, all is well, and going to this revolve boss, and apply this and okay, and this body is drawing easily, and going to this chamfer, and 1 millimeter 45-degree angle, 1 millimeter 45-degree angle, and select both edge, upper and lower side is both, and click OK. Okay, and this is a perfect, but material is apply here, going to this metal and nickel, and this material is polished nickel is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, but cosmetic thread is apply here a very important. Again select again going to option, and this is a document properties, and going to detailing, and this is first check here this shaded cosmetic thread is this click and click OK. Then this is a showing here a cosmetic thread, but this is not checked here, then this cosmetic thread is not showing here. Okay, and first is going to insert and annotations, and cosmetic thread is here, and OK, and select a first edge. Okay, and this face is also select here, and this is a standard is ISO. Okay, and type is a machine thread, and size is M12. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a blind, and going to 40 millimeter is perfect. Okay, this is showing here because at first cosmetic thread is check here, but this uncheck, then this is not showing here. Okay, all is perfect and click OK, and again select this insert annotation and cosmetic thread, and this is edge is select here, and this face is also select here. Okay, and ISO and machine thread and size is M12, and going to this length distance is a 14 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect and OK, and but this is a showing here, but this is not showing here, and again going to this cosmetic thread is first and edit feature, and click OK, then both is showing here easily and clearly. Okay, all is perfect and correct, and this is a very important for a beginner or student, and this is a very nice looking here this. Okay guys, all point is discussed here a perfect, and all is better. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.